Hello friends, very good evening and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all of the exam. I am ARITHMETIC. I welcome you all to this session, students. Now, as everybody of you know that the exam is on coming Sunday. So today we will be starting a revision series for this CMAT exam, means upcoming CMAT exam students. So with the arithmetic part of your mathematics, that is quant section, we will be starting up a rank booster series today. So the first part of this series is related to arithmetic, where we will be discussing the questions related to number system, percentages, ratio, proportion and profit and loss. And see, very less time is left now, right? So on in these 3-4 days we will be revising the syllabus and the important types and the questions related to your quant section. So without wasting time, I would like to start up with the today's session, which is related to arithmetic part. So let's begin with the session, students. Here comes the first question, which is asking you to find the single discount equivalent to a series discount of 20, 30 and 50%. Okay, so I usually apply a unit method to solve the continuous, or you can say successive, percentile changes. So to calculate the equivalent discount, let's see what is the first discount. 20%. Discount means negative. 20% means 1 by 5. So I will say that there is a reduction of 1 on 5, means whatever it was earlier, means 5 unit, after reduction it will be 4 units, right? 5 and 4 are units. What is 30%? 30% is 3 by 10. So we'll say that on 10 there is a reduction of 3, so 7 is the outcome. And 50% means half, 1 by 2. So on 2 we'll say that reduction is 1, so 1. Try to cancel the numbers of the right side from the left side, or numbers from the left side from the right side. Then multiply the numbers on each side, right? Means 5 into 10 into 1, 50 units. And 2 into 7 is 14 units. So if the value is 50, it is becoming 14. So what is the equivalent discount? It is 36, right? So total discount will be 36 on 50, right? So it is 72%, which is D part, right? Yash and Ahil, you both are right, beta. Your answer is accurate. Very good. You have to see your timing also, right? It's my first session with you people, so I am going very slow today. So one by one we will be doing many types today. In a city, 40% of the people have brown hair, 30% have brown eyes, 12 have those, both means brown hair and brown eyes. What is the percentage of people who have neither brown eyes and nor brown hair, right? So this is a question related to set. We have two sets here, one with brown hair. I want everybody to keep on solving with me, right? And keep on telling your answers, whatever is your answer, right? And let me tell you, students, that after finishing this session, that is, this is a session which is a revision session, right? Just after this session, I will take a rapid test of the same topic which we are revising today, but not here on YouTube. That session will be on BYJU'S application, right? BYJU'S application. So after completing this session at 4:45 p.m. today, we will be doing a rapid test on BYJU'S application. So whatever we are revising now, we'll do a test on that whole topic today itself after completing this revision session, right? I will give you around 10 to 12 questions, and we'll tell the score also, that what is your score in those 10 and 12 questions, right? So be with me for the next around 1 hour. We will be revising and testing the skills, right? So brown hair is 40 and 30% is brown eyes, and 12% is both. So if brown hair is total 40, 12 is already there, we'll write 28, right? And brown eyes is 30, 12 is already there, so we'll write 18. So total who have brown eyes and brown hair are 28 plus 12, 40 plus 18, 58 percentile. The question is just opposite, right? Who have neither brown hair nor brown eyes, right? Neither brown hair and nor brown eyes will be 100 minus 58, that is 42%, which is B part. Yes, your answer is right. Your answer is, yeah, I will share the link also, right? But you have to download the BYJU'S app first, right? Get yourself registered there. It is free of cost, right? The session is also free of cost. It's a free session. Next question is related to rules of divisibility. The question is based on the type where we have x to the power n minus y to the power n as a function, and this is divisible by which of the following. Here n is even number, right? Here n is even number. The power should be same for x and y. If the sign between the two terms is negative and power is even, then this whole expression is divisible by both x minus y as well as x plus y. This is a rule, students, right? So here x is 7 and y is 4. So x minus y means 7 minus 4, and x plus y is 7 plus 4. So 3 and 11 both, means answer is C part. Yeah, Mr. Chaudhary, it's all over now, right? Try to focus on your exam now. Okay, I am with you people, and will revise the total quants and DI section. Okay, we will be revising both quants, DI, LR in this upcoming 3-4 days. Be with me, right? The time is 4 o'clock for quants and 5 o'clock for DI and LR. Means from 4 to 6 I will be with you people revising quants, DI and LR, all the 3 sections, right? But be with me, tell your friends, right, to be here from 4 to 6. Okay, next is related to finding the remainders when 9 raised to power 81 is divided by 7, right? This means we have 9 how many times? 81 times, and each time it is divided by 7. So every time the remainder will be 2, right? How many times 2? 281 times. So the trick is divide 9 by 7, and whatever is the remainder, write that remainder in place of 9. Okay. Now 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7. So I will try to increase this number. It should be more than 7. Only then we can divide it. Okay. So 2 raised to power 3, which is 8, right, is more than 7. 8 is more than 7. So let me break this 81 power as 3 into 27, right? And after writing this as 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 27, we are able to convert this in the form of 8 raised to power 27, right, divided by 7. Student, whenever we have a question in the form of A divided by B raised to power n, right, or where a is b plus 1, right, then remainder is always 1. Then remainder is always 1. This is a rule, no matter what is the power. Okay, so answer is A part 1. Okay, answer is A part 1, because when you divide 8 by 7, the remainder is 1. How many times? 27 times. 127 times is 1 itself. So 1 by 7 remainder is 1. Right? Next question. Find the last two digits, right? Not the last digit. The last two digits for the number 4761 raised to power 3454. Okay. So this is a very important type, students. This is the extension of finding the unit digit. Okay, let me tell you, if a number is ending with 1, then its unit digit is always 1. Okay, keep this thing in mind. If a number is ending with 1, no matter what is the power, the answer will have 1 at the unit place always, right? This is fixed, because when 1 is multiplied by itself number of times, it will remain 1. What is the cyclicity of 1? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 always gives 1. Okay, so if a number is ending with 1, whatever is the power, right, the unit digit of the number or the answer is always 1. Now the point is to find the second last digit, okay, the tens digit. Now see the trick. Trick to find tens digit, okay, means the second last digit. What is the trick? Pick this second last digit of the number, multiply it with the last digit of the power, right? Multiply it. What you will get? 6 into 4. What is 6 into 4? 24. Okay. What is 6 into 4? Students, 24. Right. Now pick the unit digit of the answer and place it here at the tens place of this whole number. Last two digits वाला rule नहीं पढ़ा, मैंने बता दिया. Okay, now you have the rule. Okay, is this okay with everyone? Any doubt till now in any question? So the last two digits are 41. Clear? If the number 23P62971 is divisible by the smallest odd composite number, here lies the point. Smallest odd composite number. Tell me, which is the smallest odd composite number, everyone? No, the last question is only when we have 1 at the unit digit, right? Rule of 1 only when 1 is at the unit place. Okay, for every different digit we have a different rule. Okay, clear? No, you don't have this last 3 digit concept, right? The concept is up to last 2 digits only. Okay, Ahil? The concept is up to last 2 digits only. This itself is a very typical concept. Okay, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा नहीं, I don't know, but मैं बता दूंगा. अभी वर्कशॉप लूंगा संडे को. there is a workshop. Okay, संडे को there is a workshop, so we'll tell many things in that workshop also. Okay, but keep it up to last 2 digits only. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the first 9 digit. 1 is neither prime nor composite. This is out, right? Neither prime nor composite. So this is out. 2 is prime, out. 3 is prime, out. 5 is prime, out. 4 is composite but even. They are asking composite as well as odd. So 4 is out. 6 is composite, even, out. 7 is prime, out. 8 is composite, even, out. 9 is composite as well as odd. So odd composite smallest number is 9. Okay, so we have to divide this number by 9. Okay, so 2, 3, P, 6, 2, 9, 7, 1, 3, 3, 5. What is the rule of divisibility of 9? The number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. Okay, now what is the trick? See, make the pairs of the number which add up to 9 and cancel them out. Like 5 and 3, 8 plus 1, 9, out. 7 and 2, 9, out. 9, out. 6 and 3, 9, out. What is left? 2, 3 and P. Add these 3 digits only. This is 5 plus P. Now what should come in place of P to make it divisible by 9? Only 4. Only 4 will help us to find the number which is divisible by 9. Okay, so answer is A part, 4. Are you getting this? So this is from the rules of divisibility. Consider the following statement in respect to two integers P and Q. Both the integers are greater than 1 and are relatively prime. Relatively prime means they are co-prime numbers. Relative prime means co-prime. Means co-prime. And what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are the numbers whose HCF is 1, right? So which of the above statement 1, 2, 3 are correct? Okay, first statement says that if they are co-prime, then both P and Q may be prime number. Maybe, right? Maybe. So yeah, this is a possibility that 3 and 5 both are prime numbers, right? They both are prime numbers and they are co-prime also, right? 3 and 5 are co-prime also, right? Where these both are prime number. So yeah, this possibility is there. P and Q may be composite numbers. So 4 and 9 are composite number, right? 4 is 2 into 2 into 1. 9 is 3 into 3 into 1. Yeah, their HCF is 1. So yeah, this is also possible that they can be both co-prime when they both are composite. One is prime, one is composite. This is also possible. Like 3 is prime, 4 is composite. For 3 we will say 3 into 1. For 4 we will say 2 into 2 into 1. So for every statement we have one possibility each. So we can say that yes, this is possible, may be possible, right? So all the 3 are correct. All the 3 are correct. Answer is D part. The sum of the 3 prime numbers is 100. The question is related to 3 prime numbers. Mark my words now. There will be a question related to prime numbers always, right? Either the concept is hidden or they will clearly say that the numbers are prime. Okay, but there will be a question in your exam related to prime numbers. So we have 3 prime numbers. Let 3 prime numbers B, let's say A, B and C. Okay, their sum is 100. 1A plus B plus C is 100. This is the first statement. If one of them exceeds the other by 36, let's say B exceeds C by 36, means B is C plus 36. So can we replace B by C plus 36? So it means A plus 2C is 64. Okay, A plus 2C is 64. Then which of the following is one of the numbers? 17, 29 and 43. We have to select that among the option 17, 29 and 43, will there be a number among the three prime numbers? Okay, so let's see. Now student, tell me that we have this answer 64 which is even. 2 into something is also even. So something plus even is even. So we have a only possibility that A should be an even number. Unless and until A is even, we can't get this whole answer 64 as a even answer. So it means A is even prime number. A is prime also and it is even also. So A is 2. The only even prime number is 2. So 2 plus 2C is 64. It means 2C is 62. So C is 31. Right? Now A plus B plus C is 100. We have A2, C 31 means 33. It means B is 67. So these are the three numbers, 2, 31 and 67. So all the given possibilities are wrong. Answer is none of the above. Right? So there is no possibility that 17, 29 and 43 can be the answers. Find the total number of factors of 2, 480. Okay. The question is related to finding the total number of factors for the number 480. So for this, first of all, we will find the prime factorization of this number 480. Can I write this as 48 into 10? 48 is 16 into 3. 10 is 2 into 5. So 16 is 2 to the power 4. There is one more 2. So 2 to the power 5 into 3 into 5. This is the total prime factorization of 480. Now, the total number of factors can be calculated by the rule. The rule is add 1 to the powers of prime factors. The prime factors are 2, 3, 5. So what are the powers? 5, 1, 1. Add 1 to the power and multiply them. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 2, 24. So answer is C part, 24. Very right, Yash. You are accurate in this. Means selecting the options that we can verify the answer also by the option. Very good. That's very good. And your answer 24 is also right, Ahil, Yash. That's very good, bacho. Next. Ganpat spent 30% of his income on food articles. Spend means expenditure. 30% means 3 by 10. So out of 10, he is spending 3. So he is saving 7. If 10 is the income, 3 is the expenditure, 7 is the saving. 40% of the remaining on conveyance and cloth. Now what is 40%? 40% means 2 by 5. So out of 5, he is spending 2 and saving 3. Right? Out of 5, he is spending 2, saving 3. And from the remaining, he saves 50%. It means from the remaining, he also spends 50%. If his saving is 50, so he is also spending the 50 of the remaining. So from 2, 1. Now I told you, multiply the numbers on the left side, 100 units. Multiply the number on the right hand side, 21 units. So if the income of the person Ganpat is 100 unit, then his saving is 21 unit. We are given with his salary, means income. So 100 unit is 18400. So value of 1 unit will be 184 rupees. They are asking what he saves every month. The saving is 21 units. What is 21 into 184? You can match the unit digit. 4 into 1, 4. The only option ending with 4 is 3864. So a option is the correct answer. Darshana, your answer was also right. 24. Very good. 3864 is the correct answer. If the cost price is 80% of the selling price, this I think is exactly from your previous year paper, right? Cost price is 80% of selling price. So CP over SP is 4 by 5. It means when CP is 4, SP is 5, gain is 1 unit. Gain is 1 unit. What is the profit percent? What is the gain percent? Gain percent is gain upon CP into 100. What is the gain? 1. What is the CP? 4. So answer is 25%. B part. CP is 80% of SP. So CP by SP is 4 by 5. There is a gain of 1 on 4. Simple 25%. Right? The price of an apple is twice that of orange, and the price of an orange is thrice that of banana, right? So if I say that price of banana is, let's say 10 rupees, so price of orange will be double of it. Price of orange is 3 times, 30 rupees, and price of apple will be double of the orange, that is 60 rupees, right? So 6:3:1 is the ratio. The price, if the price of apple increases by 10%, see 10% means 6 is increased. So this is earlier and this is after increase. 10% increase, it will be 66. Okay. Price of the orange increases by 30. So 10% is 3, 30% is 9. So 9 is increased. 39. It will be 39. And the price of banana is increases by 20. Right, so it will become 12. Okay, it will become 12. Find the percentage increase in the price of 20 apples, 20 oranges and 20 banana. Right, the percentage increase in 1 banana or 20 banana will remain same. So just see how much is the increase. How much is the increase? The increase is 6 here, 9 here and 2 here. Total increase is 17%. Answer is B part, 70. Right, so simple. Just assume that price of banana is 10, after which orange is 30, apple is 60. Increase them percentage wise, you will get the answer. A shopkeeper claimed to sell the rice at the cost price. Right, whenever the question of dishonest shopkeeper comes, right, student assume 2 things. One, that we will be working on 1000 grams first of all, and 1 gram is 1 rupee. Okay, two assumptions. So it means 1000 gram is sold at 1000 itself. Okay, 1000 gram is sold at 1000 itself. The shopkeeper claims to sell rice at the cost price itself. He uses a false weight. It means he is not giving 1000 gram, he is giving something less, right? Let's say X amount is less, right? X amount is reduced. by the intention that he must get 25% as the profit on all this, right? So this gap is the profit. This gap is the profit, and this profit percent is 25. So 25 gap is x on 1000 minus x into 100. Okay. So we have the 1000 minus x equals to 4x. So x will be 5x will be 1000, right? So x is 200. So the cheating is of 200 gram. The cheating is of 200 gram. After selling the rice to the customer, he realizes, means he is giving 800 grams from his pocket. Okay, he is giving 800 grams from his pocket. After selling the rice to the customer, he realizes that the customer has paid 10% less. Instead of 1000, he get 900. Okay, instead of 1000, he get rupees 900. That is 10% less. And what is this? This is the selling price, and how much he pays for that? He pays rupees 800 from his pocket. So this is cost price, right? So there is a gain of 100 only on 800. What is gain percent? Gain percent is 100 is gain on 800. That is 12.5%. C part, right? On a whole, he gets only 12.5% as the gain. In June 2020, the ratio of boys to girls in the college was 3:2. So in June, boys and girls, let they be 3x and 2x. In September, there were 80 fewer boys, means boys are 3x minus 80, and girls are 20 less, so 2x minus 20. But the ratio is now 7:5. The ratio is now 7:5. So 3x minus 80 over 2x minus 20 is 7/5. 15x minus 400 is equals to 14x minus 140. So x is equals to 260. What is the total number of students in June? Total students in June are 3x plus 2x, that is 5 times of 260, that is 1300. So D part is the correct answer. Mohan bought a trouser at 10% discount and sold it to Sohan at a loss of 10%. So Mohan bought a trouser at 10% discount. He bought at 10% discount. He sold at 10% loss. Sohan paid 729, right? So what was the undiscounted price? So there are two successive discounts. 10% means 1/10. So on 10 there is a discount of 9. Second time 10, discount of 9. So the item which is of 100 unit is sold at 81. Okay, but it is given that this 81 unit is equivalent to rupees 729. So 1 unit be rupee 9. So 100 unit, which is the earlier price undiscounted, will be rupees 900. A part is the correct answer, right? So that's all with revision of percentage, ratios, right? Number system where we have revised remainders and divisibility rules, finding the last two digits, right? Now students, let me recall that at 4:45 we will be having the test of this whole topic, whatever we have revised now. We'll give a rapid test, right? Within 5-10 minutes, we'll end up the test, and there will be 10 questions, right? 10 questions. And students, on Sunday we are having a workshop. For CMAT itself, right? So be with us Sunday 8 p.m. in the evening, right? You are having the link for the workshop right in your comment section box, so you can join the workshop also. And for that you have to register yourself first. The registration is free of cost, right? Click at the link, you will get registered for the upcoming workshop, which is on Sunday. I'm taking at 8 p.m. right? And for now join at 4:45. At 4:45 we will be having a rapid test for this whole topic which we have revised today. So see you in the BYJU'S application, student. You will get the link for the application also in the comment section, right? Download the application. You will get the CAT section there, CAT and MBA CAT and CMAT section there, right? Join the session of 4:45 for booster series rapid test. That's all for today. See you at 4:45 on application. Take care, bacho. Bye.